This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. Tools needed: adjustable wrench, hot and cold water hoses with flat washers. Before connecting the water hoses, make sure the rubber washer is installed before connecting the water hose to the water line. Connect both hot and cold water hoses to the water line. Next, connect the other end of the hoses to the proper lines of your washer, blue for cold water and red for hot water. Make sure both hose ends are secure using an adjustable wrench. Do not over-tighten. Turn on the hot and cold water lines and check that there are no leaks.